So are YouTube tags important to get views? Well, I'm gonna answer this in this video. Additionally, I will give you some tips what kind of tags to use. Hey guys, welcome back. Stay motivated, make another video today. So normally when we're referring to tags, everybody is thinking about this short, quick tags like hashtag ice cream, hashtag vlog, hashtag YouTube, hashtag grow. But that's not actually the kind of tags we want to put in our videos. And also tags are important, but not as much as other elements in the video. And before I share with you how to actually make tags work for your videos, think about tags as full key phrases and not as single words. And I'm gonna show you this on my son's channel since we have more data to go with. So for example, we're gonna take this video, how to record face cam in gaming video. Here you go. And over here on the bottom of the video, you see all these tags. See, now, none of them just say face cam. All of them say the entire key phrase. Also, very important before I go any further, we're actually using a tool for it, YouTube extension tool. The free link is gonna be in the description down below. Make sure to download it. It's completely free on the computer. There is free version, obviously you can upgrade later. And yes, this is affiliate link, so if you decide to upgrade later, I get referral fee. In the meantime, you can download it absolutely free. So see, like first tag, facecam tutorial. This is already key phrase, not single word. Another one, how to put facecam. Or how to record facecam on PS4 with phone, sorry. How to record facecam in gaming video. You see, these are all key phrase tags. And yes, when people are searching for this kind of videos, they are typing these tags. Now, this is important. Make sure you don't just throw some random tag like PewDiePie just to rank in Google search or YouTube search. This will never work. Unless your video, for example, is related to PewDiePie, and let's say you're talking about how successful PewDiePie is and why, then sure you can put PewDiePie in your tags. Otherwise, don't do that. Just put the tags relevant to your video. Another thing is, tags by themselves will not do anything at all for your video. And here is what you gotta pay attention to first actually. First, to help your video should be in your niche because that helps your channel and your video. Additionally, every single title should be researched, like this one for example. How to record facecam in gaming video, and then it says facecam tutorial for gamers, see? And when you look at tags on the bottom, you actually see that these tags are ranking. But see, they're not ranking by themselves. It is because of the title as well. So in order of importance, first is research title. Then as you can see is really good thumbnail, very clear, direct to the point thumbnail. Then obviously in the video you should be talking only about that specific subject, how to make facecam and stuff like that in this example. And then here's the important one. Make sure the beginning of your description actually matches what you're saying in the video. And I'm not talking about, repeating every single word in exact order, but generally speaking, matching to what you're saying in the beginning of the video. So that way YouTube algorithm will check your title, thumbnail, description, and tags. And this is where tags are important, not in any other order. And that's called providing all the metadata for YouTube to rank your video. For my videos or my son's videos, we don't skip any steps in this. So they are important all four, the same order that I mentioned. And in the free to body version, you will have 3 searchable tags and also 3 title searches per day. But later when you upgrade to like pro version, let's say, you can have it unlimited. Additionally, the lower the number is on your ranking tags, the better. So for example, facecam tutorial, there you go, number 1. You see this tag? Or like over here, how to record facecam on Xbox One. Another tag. And this says 2. See, there are also some that says 10 or 11 and stuff like that, but they're not that powerful. However, they still rank. And if this is done proper way, basically this will show you what position in search this video potentially is. And that's really, really important. And that's exactly how he got these few videos to go over 100,000 views. And that's not by accident. Every single one of these videos is actually ranking on YouTube because they all have proper titles, thumbnails, description, and tags. You can technically say that YouTube's algorithm job is to basically show the videos that people are searching for that kind of video, and your job is to provide all the metadata to make it easier for YouTube. And when you do all these steps, you're making it easier for YouTube to actually recommend your videos and for you to get views. Thank you so much for watching. Stay motivated, make another video today. Hopefully we're gonna get to 500 subscribers at one point. It doesn't matter. I'm happy you guys are watching some of my videos. I appreciate it very much and see you next time. Bye guys.